हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू मेजर कलशी क्लासेस। एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के दौरान पहले दिन बेसिक स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट होता है जिसमें लगभग 60% स्टूडेंट्स स्क्रीन आउट हो जाते हैं। बेसिक स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण रोल होता है नैरेशन और ग्रुप डिस्कशन का। आज के इस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे कि एक्चुअल में नैरेशन और ग्रुप डिस्कशन कैसे होता है। नैरेशन के दौरान आपको एक एक बच्चे का फीडबैक दिखाएंगे और लास्ट में जब ग्रुप डिस्कशन होगा आप चकित रह जाएंगे कि क्या वाकई ग्रुप डिस्कशन ऐसे होता है। तो इस वीडियो को ध्यान से देखें और नोट डाउन करें उन सभी पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स को जो आपको अपनी पर्सनैलिटी और हैबिट्स में इंक्लूड करनी चाहिए, और उन नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स को भी नोट डाउन करें जो आपको अपने एसएसबी के दौरान अवॉइड करनी चाहिए।
मेजर कलशी क्लासेस ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज फॉर ऑल डिफेंस एग्जाम्स, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर, ई नोट्स, डेली लाइव क्लासेस, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट। अब ऑनलाइन पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया। डाउनलोड द MKC लर्निंग ऐप एंड फुलफिल योर ड्रीम्स।
Okay, gentlemen, now you need to narrate your story one by one, starting from right of your group. While narrating your story, you need not to address me or not allowed to see towards me. You only are required to narrate your story among your group members. You can start now.
Friends, good afternoon. From the picture, I observed five characters are in negative mood and is to 60 to 30. I picked up the hero as kind and responsible person, as named Hari. Hari was a businessman, and he was a kind person. He earned a lot of money, but in spite of this, he was kind. One day when he was going to the office, he saw a boy who was injured, and it was seen that he had happened accident. So he took him to the hospital and he admitted him in the hospital and informed him about his parents, and also took care, and he helped him. And when his parents came, he knew about them that they were poor, and he helped them for monies also, and he take care of them. And when he became well, he left him to his house, and in this way he could save his life.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I have seen five characters in my story. Their mood were positive. The main character of my story was Rahul. Rahul was 17 years old, and their mood were positive. Rahul was in his childhood. His aim was to become a cricketer, and he was participating in school level cricket. And during the playing cricket, he got injured, and his parents he was taken to the hospital by his parents, and his mother motivated that you don't play the cricket, but he motivated that moment, and he started again the cricket, and he was selected in the district level cricket. And after that, after the hard working, he was selected the state level, and after the working some days he was selected in the IPL Ranji, and he got and after that he was selected in the India team, and he after becoming a cricketer, he became an inspiration before the society. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. In the picture, I saw five characters. All were in a positive mood, and ages were between 26 to 39. Amrish, as an IIT Bombay alumni, he one day he was doing some chemical experiment. He was very concerned about global warming and kind of plastic activities what are being run in our societies. So one day he was doing experiment, and some kind of chemical got turned upon his stomach, and he got red that stomach, and he got very jealous about it. Means it's very burning, and he had a pain, he had a severe pain. Then along with his family, he went to the nearby hospital, and he got rid of it. After that, what kind of experiment he was doing? He tried, he used to do some experiment, he again do the same experiment, and invent some plastic which is biodegradable. And as we have seen, the plastic is not biodegradable in our society. He had invented the plastic which is biodegradable. So after that, he maintained this. He invented this at science activity in LPU, Luckily Professional University in Punjab. as a science fair, he introduced his his experiment, his plastic biodegradability of that plastic. He showed them and he got an award from them. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. The picture shown to us, I have seen 4 characters. In which 3 are male and 1 is female. My main character is Samu, who is 15-year-old. He is a student of class 9 of RSS school. He is very hard-working boy. He is good in his studies as well as in football game. He is the captain of his football team, and he was practicing for upcoming competition that was going to be held with another college team. He was practicing with his teammate. Suddenly he felt pain in his stomach and went to his house and told his parents. He was being a lone son of his parents. He was very dear to him. His father called the doctor and get treated him. After getting treatment, he felt well and he convinced his father to go again for practicing.
Next.
In this story, I have seen 4 characters. One was female and the rest of all were male. All were age of 20 to 30. The main character of my story is Ankit. He is a surgeon newly posted in a rural area. In his hospital, one day a badly injured man came, and that was very impossible to save that person. The Ankit with a lot of efforts can save that man, and he has decided to well facilitate his hospital and taking the loan from the government, and he made the hospital well facilitated. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I saw 5 characters. 3 were male and 2 were female. Male were in the age group of 45 to 55 and female were in the age group of 26 to 27. And the boy was 10 years old. He was in a negative mood. And my main character is Rahul Sharma. He was from Delhi. He was a physician. So he got a patient one day that a boy has got a stomach pain, serious stomach pain. So his father told him that he has eaten some junk food. So he first gave him anesthesia, then gave him some doses, and his pain was relieved. After that, he gave a seminar on the ill effect of junk food, and his seminar was liked by many people. And his seminar then was shown on Doordarshan TV too, so that people have a more knowledge about the ill effects of junk foods. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Pictures shown to us. I saw 5 characters. 3 were male and 2 female. They all were in positive mood and their ages lie between 18 to 26. My section of story is recovered injury and bone tournament. The hero of my story is Amit, and my story goes like this. Amit was a very skilled sports person of his school. One day, a tournament was going to be conducted between different schools. So it was a very best opportunity for Amit to prove himself and his ability. So one week prior to the tournament, while practicing very hard, Amit got some injuries. He went to the doctor, and doctor advised him 5 days of rest and some physiotherapy. So after 5 days, he was very disappointed first of all of his injury, but later on he became confident because he had practiced earlier very hard. While in the tournament, he performed very well. Along with the group cooperation of his team, they won the tournament. And later on, he became a very good example, so that no one should lose hope and keep practicing and keep hope in him. So thank you, gentlemen.
Good morning, gentlemen. In the picture shown to us, I saw 4 characters. 3 were male and 1 was female. The main character of my story is Abhishek. He was a student of Rampura High School and he also used to work for an NGO. While returning from his school to his home, he saw a boy who fell into the river from the bridge. So he jumped into the bridge and saved the boy's life, gave him first aid and took him to the nearest clinic. He then called the boy's parents and informed them that he saved the boy from drowning. When the parents arrived at the clinic, they saw that their only child was now fine, and they thanked and appreciated the effort made by Abhishek. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. When pictures shown to us, I saw 4 characters. three are male and one is female. My main character is Seema. Seema is a nursing student. He is pursuing in nursing college, nursing hospital in Allahabad. One day, Seema is coming to hospital. Then suddenly she saw a accident, and she fast go to him and saved and taken to him by help of other pupils, and she take him and go to a nearest hospital and admitted to him in his hospital. And then after that he informed his family by his identity card in his pocket and saved to his life. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. The picture shown to us, I have shown 5 characters. 3 of them are males and 2 are females. Their age belongs to 17 to 30. My main character is Anurag Dasgupta, who was 17 years old. He is now recently reading class 11. His passionate is to play cricket as well as to play football as well as to become good in study. One day when he played football, his right hand is damaged by the charge by his friend. And then his father and mother got him to the doctor and treated him. And the doctor told them that his right hand is damaged totally, he can't do anything. And after principal was not allowed to in his school. After that, Anurag was so much intention and so much struggle boy. So he was taking that he effort his home 1 year and his right hand was so much okay. And then he gave the board and he goes to the national level and gave the permission of the principal and gave the go to the national level. And he, as a captain of the team, he gave 2 goals as a captain and acquired a lot of heart from the students and student with him inspire from him. And he, due to his intention, goes to the peak of the mountain. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. There are 5 characters in the story. Babban is the main character of my story. He is the boy of 20 years old and living in Varanasi with his elder brother. One day he takes some street foods, so that's why he became some stomach pain. When his elder brother gone to the doctor, and the doctor told him that there is a food poisoning. So then he told the doctor that what he had eat. Doctor awares him about to eat something from the street, and he make a proper plan for the awareness about it. He make a team in his college and his friends, gathering the friends too. He makes a team and that will work from home to home and aware the society too. He is appreciated by the everyone. After some times, when it became very larger group, then he sent a message for a huge people of the society. So he was appreciated and interviewed by a journalist where he give the message for all India for the stay fit and stay calm. Thank you, that's my story.
Gentlemen, I have identified only 5 characters in the picture. All are in positive mode, and the hero of my story is Dr. Viswas, and the action of my story is researching on a medicine for HIV. Gentlemen, as we know, the HIV is a major problem in our country, and not in the country, in all over world also. So Dr. Viswas is researching on the HIV, and he wants to develop an antibiotic for the HIV patients. So one day he was an Ayurvedic doctor. He came to know that Himalaya, on the spot of a Himalaya, there are some plants who has ability to cure the HIV virus. He went to Himalaya on the trip, and he has searched that plant and doing some extra activities. He has succeeded to make an antibiotic for the HIV. After a total agreement of the families and a patient, he was searching on a patient also. After the total agreement of the patient and the families, he did a research on that boy. And the research was very successful, and that was a major innovation in the world at that time. And he was appreciated by Indian government and his state government. Not in India, he was appreciated by the all over world, and he was invited in UN to put his points on HIV. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. In the story, I saw 5 characters. 3 were male and 2 were female. 1 male was negative mood and male were 15 to 48 years old.
The 15-year-old boy Nanne Jaisalmer is my main character in the story. He belonged to Jaipur in Rajasthan. He was very naughty boy. He was always trying to ride the camel. In the effort of riding the camel, he got injured very badly and he was admitted to hospital. After the cure, he tried again to ride the camel and learned how to ride the camel. He participated in minor camel race in village, celebrating every month. He won the race. He won the race for his village, and his Gram Pradhan rewarded him for the race. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I saw 5 characters in that picture. 3 were male and 2 were female. All their moods was negative. And Raghav was my main character. He was about 45 years old. He was from Mumbai. He lost his son because of cancer, so he was very unhappy. Since he was sad, so he decided to make others happy. He started a shelter home for orphans, and now he was very happy. Thank you.
Gentlemen, in this picture I saw 5 characters. 3 are males and 2 are females. Their mood are positive and their age ranging between 15 to 30. Rahul is my main character as he is 12 years old. He is from DPS school, Allahabad. While playing football, he got injured and severe pain in stomach. So a school admitted him in the hospital and also informed to the parents. After admitted in hospital, doctor said he is attacked by football, so he got injured and he will not play for 1 month. So after 1 month, he recovered his pain and got selected in football team and won the cup for the school. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I saw 4 characters. There was 1 female and all the rest of them are the male. The age ranging between the one boy who is 12-year-old and rest of them is age ranging between the 25 to 35 year. Action of my story: football competition. Raman is my hero of my story, who is studying in a DPS school of Delhi. He being a captain, being a captain of a football team. He played a football for the other schools also. In the next month there was he heard a news about the sport competition. This was being held in the next month he along with the team practicing a match in the school in the evening time. While kicking a ball, he was felt stomach ache. He fell down and fainted. Team members supported him and admitted him in the hospital. By informing her parents. As Raman is dedicated toward the competition and so that he asked to the doctor how much time is needed to recover it. As he know that there is needed to a competition to win a match, so that
next. Gentlemen, in the picture I saw 5 members. 3 were male and 2 were female. Rahul is main character of my story, who was 23 years old and studying in Allahabad University, BSc first year. One day when he was going to school for exam, on the way he saw that a boy was badly injured with the car accident. He hospitalized the boy and he called his parents and took another bus and reached the college and participated in the exam. And finally, he passed the exam with good marks. Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen, since all of you have different story, Now I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion and reach on a common story.
One boy was sitting with painting.
And boy was suffering HIV also.
I think that as we all are very concerned about global warming, and these as just number 44 and number 6.
He's suffering with HIV virus.
A boy was severely. They have really got a serious level of
The doctor had checked up him, and after that, the conclusion was that he was suffering with HIV at that time.
You need to speak one by one so that you can reach on a common story.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
The way you are speaking, no one is getting each other's point.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So, footing you will start again.
Gentlemen, as they are
Gentlemen,
can we start?
Put your points, please.
Three are men and two are female. They are
Thank you. Wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Major Kalshi classes online courses for all defense exams. Recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKZ Learning app and fulfill your dreams.